Catbird poem by Maya Angelou. A free bird lives on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends and dips his wing in the orange sunrise and dares to climb the sky. But a bird that stalks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bar of threads. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The catbird sings with a fearful thrill of things unknown but loud for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the catbird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the thrilled winds soft throws the singing trees, and the fat worms waiting on a dawn-bright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a caged bird stands on the grave of dreams, his shadow soars on a nightmare's scream. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful thrill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom.